Ever traded crypto on Kraken and now you're ready to cash out? But wait, where do you send those sweet coins? That's where a withdrawal address comes in. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to find or generate withdrawal addresses for all your favorite cryptocurrencies on the Kraken exchange. Let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why withdrawal addresses are crucial. Think of it like your bank account number. Every cryptocurrency has its own unique address, a long string of letters and numbers that acts as your digital wallet's unique identifier. When you withdraw crypto from Kraken, you are essentially sending it to this address. Now, where do you get these addresses? Well, that depends on where you want to send your crypto. Here are the most common scenarios. 1. Sending to an external wallet. If you have a personal cryptocurrency wallet, like MetaMask, Ledger, or Trust Wallet, find your wallet's receive address. This is usually located in your wallet's receive or deposit section. Copy the address. Make absolutely sure you copy the correct address. Even a single character error can result in the loss of your funds. Paste the address into the Kraken withdrawal form. We'll show you how to do this in just a bit. 2. Sending to another exchange. If you're transferring crypto to another exchange, like Binance or Coinbase, log into the receiving exchange. Go to your deposit or wallet section. Find the deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Each cryptocurrency will have a unique deposit address on the receiving exchange. Copy that address and paste it into the Kraken withdrawal form. 3. Sending to a hardware wallet. If you're using a hardware wallet, like Ledger or Trezor, connect your hardware wallet to your computer. Open your hardware wallet software. Find the receive or deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency. Copy and paste the address into Kraken. Alright, let's get practical. Here's how to find and use withdrawal addresses on the Kraken exchange. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the funding section. This is usually located in the main menu. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. Click on Withdraw. This will open the withdrawal form. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Paste the recipient's address. This is where you'll paste the address you copied earlier. Double-check everything. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Make absolutely sure the address is correct. Enter your two-factor authentication code. Click Submit. Important notes. Security first. Always double and triple check the withdrawal address before submitting. Withdrawal fees. Kraken may charge a small fee for withdrawals. Withdrawal limits. There may be limits on how much you can withdraw at once. Network congestion. Depending on the cryptocurrency and the network, withdrawals can sometimes take time to process. Tips for safe withdrawals. Generate new addresses for each transaction. This adds an extra layer of security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or provide your login credentials to anyone. If you suspect any fraudulent activity, contact Kraken support immediately. Let's illustrate this with a couple of examples. Example 1. Withdrawing Bitcoin to a MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask wallet. Click on Receive. Copy your Bitcoin address. Go to the Kraken funding section. Select Bitcoin. Click Withdraw. Paste the MetaMask address. Enter the amount and submit. Example 2. Withdrawing Ethereum to Binance. Log into your Binance account. Go to the deposit section. Find the Ethereum deposit address. Copy the address. Go to the Kraken funding section. Select Ethereum. Click Withdraw. Paste the Binance address. Enter the amount and submit. What if something goes wrong? If you send funds to the wrong address, unfortunately, recovering funds sent to the wrong address can be extremely difficult and in many cases, impossible. If your withdrawal is taking a long time, check the Blockchain Explorer for the status of your transaction. Network congestion can sometimes cause delays. If you encounter any issues, contact Kraken support for assistance. Withdrawing crypto from Kraken might seem daunting at first, but by following these steps and prioritizing security, you can confidently transfer your funds to any desired location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.